Hi friends. Hi friends. How are you? Hope you're doing good. You and your family members. Okay, friends. Today we will discuss about IDFC First Bank. Last year, where and all we got the opportunity to take entry and exits. This is for long term, not for intraday or provisional. This is for long term. Okay friends, I'll show you my indicator where and all we got opportunity to take entry and exits and how many targets it has achieved. Friends, again I'm telling you today also, even now also, I will not go news based market. Based on my system, whatever it will gives, based on that I'll take entry. It may hit stop loss 1 or 2 times. If you ask me if you take in a month, take at least 20 trades, only 1 or 2 trades it may hit stop loss. On that day, if sideways is happen, it has took stop loss, but rest of the days there was no stop loss. Okay, let's get on into the topic. We'll discuss now. Okay, now assume that I want to give entry. This is on last year, January 20, 25, 26, between that. Suppose if I want to give entry, example this year, this one we'll discuss later. Now why I shown you last time, because the reason is here my indicator given clear direction where to take entry and how many points we need to capture and how many points we can take a target. Everything it has given. For that reason only I have chosen last year. For sure, for this year also, where and all will take entry, that also I'll make you videos. Okay, let's get on to the topic now. This is on 1st of January 2025. If you see in my weekly index like Nifty, generally what I'll do, I'll go with previous week high and low. Based on that, this week I'll take entry and exits. And also here now I'll choose last year, that means January 2024 to December 31st 2024. Based on that high and low, I'll take entry for next year. Okay, we'll mark now high and low. Okay, now 2024. Okay, for your clear index, clearly I'll make it one line. Okay, this line. Okay, for this line we are planning to trade for this line. Okay. 89.65, 59.60. This is on 1st January 2024 to between that 31st 2024. December. For this year, I'm planning to trade based on this year. I'm planning to trade 25th. This is not trade for a long term. Okay. Now, previously also I told you same. Now also I'm telling you same. Here we'll make it one line. See, generally there was 3 lines, dotted lines, like dash line will be there here. We can take 3 lines also, no problem, or 2 lines also, these 2 lines also, no problem. Okay, we'll take 3 lines, that's fine. We'll take 3 lines. Okay, now we'll remove this. Okay, this I'm planning to remove because this is based on that. Okay, now go to the monthly. See, for entry you can give daily or weekly for long term, that's not a problem. For reference I'm showing you in the monthly time frame. Okay, this is on 1st of January. If you see, market has opened here 1st of January 2025. This is opened here and came here and taken support. If you see my previous videos, I told you, if this is broke, and if taken retracement here again, then this is the first target and this is the second target. This is the major support for monthly. Anyhow, it's not came here. Exactly, it has touched here, taken support here, and see, exactly it has touched here. I'm talking about monthly. Touched here and given. If you take here as an entry, why here, that I'll tell you the details. Just watch complete video, I'll share you that details as well. Go to the weekly time frame. Okay, weekly or daily you can go for long term. Now market has opened here and came and touched here. See, if you see here, there was consolidation. It has taken so much consolidation. That means how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks. 5 means almost 1 month and 1 week. That means make it 30 days. 30 and 7 days. Almost 37 days. 40 days. Make it 40 days as a round figure. 40 days it has taken consolidation and it reversed from here only. Exactly, if you see, it has touched here. Example, you have taken entry here. Example, you have taken entry here and you can keep stop loss as a, okay, example, you have taken entry here. Okay, and you can keep stop loss as a previous low, any low. This candle you can take a stop loss 49. Example, you have taken here, that means 54 or 55, make it 49 as a SL. You can give 51 also. Okay, better go with 49 as a SL stop loss. And if you see here, see, if you see, retracement has taken here and exactly it has touched here. Exactly it has touched here. See, this is the line where it has touched. Generally, if you give an entry here, this is the first target. That means first target is 66. 66 or 70 also you can keep as a first target. This one as a first target. Okay, example, assume that you have given 5 as a entry and 70 as a first target. And now again if has retraced here, you can give 82 as a stop loss, 82 or 85 as a stop loss. Friends, if you see here, how many points it has given? From 55 to 85, 35 points it has given here. That means more than 50%, close to 75% it has given here. Seventy-five, 75% it has given. And if you see here, it's not sustained and came down. See here, exactly from here only, this is a gap down, from here only came down exactly. See, if this is above, market is bullish. If this is the below, market is bearish. Okay, market is bearish. But for us, from 1st January to till 31st December only this is valid. That means till this only valid. Okay, till this only it's valid, because what I told you, based on previous year candle, will take entry for current year. Got it? Got it, friends? Okay. Now you got this idea, correct? Now, same stock we'll see for this year entry and exits. Okay, friends? Okay. Let me remove everything. Even these also I'll close. Now based on this we'll take entry here. Okay. Now you understood, friends. Now last year, that means 25 high and low candle will take entry and exits here. Okay, we'll mark now. Friends, this is completely an educational purpose. Please, before investing, please advise your financial. Based on that, you can take entry and exits. Now this is the, now if you see, if this is crossed, now this is crossed, that means this is for this year, it has taken support here. If this is crossed up to this, it's going to touch. If this is breaked after consolidation, then this is the next target. Okay, if this gap is filled, okay, if this, assume that this gap is filled, it has here, what happened, it will be come consolidation here. After that, it's going to break. Okay, after that it's going to break, then we can see good move we can see. Friends, see, from here to, assume that it has touched this one. See, easily we can see this much fall. Here also it's not touch. Okay, it's not touch. If it come also, if trying to touch this one, then entry is here. This is the entry. Suppose if you go like this, if you go and touch this one, entry is here. That means your entry is 70. Now also you can take entry, but conditions apply. You have to keep 58 as a SL. Easily you can give entry. Once this is breaked, now first target is this, then this is the major resistance. Again it will come down, maybe it will take support here, then rally will, then big move will happen from here. If it sustain here, then big move will happen from here. Okay friends. Okay, now we'll go in the weekly time frame, we'll go in day time frame. Okay, see, market opened here, came down. If this is trying to break, then this is the major resistance. This will act as a major resistance. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. If you have any query, please comment below so that I can clear your queries. And if you want to check with any stocks or anything, please comment below. Based on that, I'll do video. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on like button, bell icon, and please join into my Telegram channel so that you'll get daily updates on index, Nifty, Sensex, BankNifty. If you want FinNifty also, FinNifty, BankX, everything, okay, I'll share you the details. Thank you friends. Please support me. Please share your friends, same details to your friends and colleagues or relatives. Okay, thank you.